Happy New Year, everyone. I'm going to bust a box of this 2009 Prominent Cuts. First break of the new year. Slip in one. Matt Hughes. This might be the cut. Save that one for last. Andrew McFedries. It's a shirt from An Unfinished Life. It looks like it's Robert Redford. Yep. This is out of 3 out of 49 Best Actor winners. Sean Penn for the movie 29 Grams and Tom Hanks for Forrest Gump. Alright, here's the cut, number 2364. Numbered out of 29, comedian Tom Arnold. Alright, thanks for watching.